Hey go-heads! If you thought the Chevy Malibu was out of the game, think again. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is back with some sleek updates, stylish changes, and features that might just surprise you. Let's dive in and check out what Chevrolet has in store for us with their latest mid-size sedan. First things first, the new Malibu gets a fresh face. Up front, you'll notice a bolder, wider grille with a new chrome mesh design, giving it a more aggressive stance. The headlights. They're now sleeker and come equipped with standard LED technology, making the Malibu look more upscale than ever. Chevy has also introduced new color options for 2025, including a striking metallic blue and a refined pearl white. Plus, you've got redesigned 18-inch and 19-inch alloy wheels to choose from, adding to that sporty vibe. Step inside, and the 2025 Malibu greets you with a revamped cabin. The layout remains familiar, but with a noticeable increase in premium materials. There's soft-touch leather on the dash, and the seats now come with new stitching patterns that scream luxury. Chevy also gave the tech a major upgrade. The centerpiece? A new 11-inch touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, now featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. For those wanting a bit more power, there's still the option for the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a robust 250 horsepower. And new for 2025, there's a hybrid option on the horizon. Chevy is definitely pushing for greener choices. When it comes to safety, Chevrolet has your back. The 2025 Malibu now comes with standard Chevy Safety Assist, which includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. For those who love extra tech, there's an available 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and even an enhanced parking assistant. So, what do you think of the changes to the 2025 Malibu? Is it enough to make it a top contender in the sedan market? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars coming your way. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. Until next time, keep those engines revving.